Then well, let's talk stocks now. Is standing by live from Lagos. Effiong, how's it going? The market is closing the week in green.
That's very right. We've completed a whole week positive transactions from Monday and this afternoon.
Effiong Ekop, are you there? Can you hear me?
Tolu, I can hear you loud and clear. And I'm saying that we've completed positive transactions this week that started on Monday and closing this Friday, 0.57%. And we've seen that the rebalancing in the market has really come of age. And apart from 2 weeks recess that the BS came to the market, it seems that the bulls are back to the trading floor. And from what I can see, I think that we are going to have a long bullish run that may take the market from now till the end of the year. And don't forget, this last quarter of the year is really very important for stockbrokers, fund managers, even for the companies. Majority of them will have to show their report card of the year to the market and the general public. And so we will see a lot of activities coming up in many of the subsectors. Particular watch will be to the banks and insurance and then the oil and gas subsector, because they are the sectors that are talking loud to the economy, and we watch them very closely. We also expect that our Nigerians living outside the country should be able to come in this last quarter and pick cheap stocks that remain in the market. And that is to say that the quantum of activities that we will see from the diaspora citizens will really increase. And so this last quarter is really something to watch out for. Tolu?
Effiong, you are telling our brothers from abroad to come pick those cheap stocks. Do we have enough for us to share here before they come pick the remaining cheap stocks? But how attractive truly, that was on a lighter note, would you say is picking stocks now at the market? What segments would you really say is driving attraction?
Certainly, Tolu, we have huge equities and what you may call other stocks that the federal government have also brought in, like the bond, and then we have from the companies that are also coming to list, even in the derivative subsectors. There is no amount of money that one will bring to the market and it will not have enough securities to part with. If you bring even ₦1 trillion to the market, we have enough securities that will take them all up. Are you talking of the banks that are really coming up with 500 billion that central bank is asking them to bring up? Is it the oil and gas? Where are you talking that you cannot have enough to spare? Certainly, we have more than enough grounds for many people to play the market. The market is robust, is very, very loud. And in the last 3 days, in the last 3 years, we've seen our market rewarding investors very, very big across, when you compare to other African markets.
All right, then. Thank you so much, Effiong, for helping us wrap up discussions there around markets today. Do have a great weekend.
Thank you, Solu.
Well, indeed, that's our package for you and for the entire week. Thank you so much for being a part of it. I'll see you on Monday, as always, and we'll continue our conversation around the world of business. On behalf of the entire production crew, have a great weekend and make the cash.